in aviation, the safety is the very important matter, and every company, and especially Air Corsica, is convinced and fully aware that of the importance of being safe for all its flights. The base of the safety is to, in an airline, is to have documentation, manuals, procedures that you communicate to operational people who are using those procedures. Okay, first point is web manual is a perfect tool to make sure that the documentation, the manual, the procedure are up to date and available for everybody. You can use the system not only for compliance, not only for the procedure, but also to communicate about safety culture, about policy of your policy, or safety policy of your company. You can use it about, and also about disseminating information about the risk management, promotion of the reporting, promotion of the safety policy, promotion. So this is important. Communication. Such a tools for communication was a real improvement for us.
And for the editor's perspective, well, it was kind of a revolution for us, the web manual implementation, because in the past, most of the people, they were using some office tools and the very basic ones, and they were not shared between the colleagues. So the implementation of web manual was far more easy, in fact, because it was a software which was very easy to learn and to have very quickly good results. First of all, it's a very good editing tool. It's better than what we have ever used before. And it's now a tool that allows us to have a very professional workflow between the different services, including the flight operation offices and the compliance managers as well. So it's kind of a teamwork-oriented solution. We also implemented EFBs in the cabin for the cabin crews. So they are now using the web manual application as the main procedure system. What was very effective as well for the EFB was also the way that the application update the manuals. It is very fast, very effective.
Being able to ensure that manuals are accurate, that they are distributed in a timely manner, that is really one of the key components on which safety can be built. Web manuals provides the tools for this, let's say, from the editing, the review, the distribution, and the app also, the great EFB app that Air Corsica pilots use now. And web manuals has provided Air Corsica the tools to build efficient, reliable, and cost-effective processes for safety and compliance management. So, as compliance monitoring department, we can have an updated overview of the status for every regulation and every requirement, to check that it's been reviewed and implemented and that the owner took care of everything, let's say. We get warnings, for example, when a new regulation is available, and this would then allow us to review the changes and assign the requirements if they're not already assigned to an owner. Making connections to the manuals also, that is an easy and very efficient way of tracking if every requirement has been correctly reviewed and implemented. During the preparation of an audit, being able to automatically generate a compliance checklist that would be always up to date with the manuals, that saves a tremendous amount of time.
Manuel is participating from close to our adventure, which is to be safe and to make sure that our flights are safe.